Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to trace the code for this method that is called lighten. Starting from the top, I'm going to work my way to the bottom and explain what each piece of this code does. Starting at the top, it's going to be creating a pixel array called pixel array, and it's going to get the pixels in this array. The 0, 1, 2, and 3 at the end are just the indexes. 0 is the first, and 3 is the last. Next, we're going to create some variables. If you can see here in 97, 98, and 99, it's just going to take some classes, such as a color class, and create a color object, and it's going to create a pixel object. It's called pixel, and it's going to create an int and call it index. In the presentation it's called index, but over here it's still called I. I didn't fix that. Next, it's going to set the values. Actually, not the values for. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's going to set the color class to null. It's going to set the pixel class to null, and it's going to set the index or I to 0. 0 is actually going to be placed in this box because the index is actually at 0. Show you on the next slide why that makes sense. This is in the while loop, while the index is less than the pixel array's length. Like I said with 0, the index, the integer index is set to 0, so it's at index 0. And like I was saying, while the index is less than the pixel array's length, it's going to do whatever's inside of the while loop. So it's like while 0, which is the index over here. So while this is less than 3, it's going to do whatever is inside of the while loop. Okay. Finally, we're inside of the loop, and we're going to start from the top of the loop. So it's going to be pixel is going to get a pixel array index. So pixel was set to null before, but now it's going to be set to the index 0. It's going to be set to the index 0. Next, we're going to get the color, which was also set to null as a placeholder. And it's going to be set to the pixel, which is going to get the color. So the color, sorry, explain this. Pixel is going to be equal to the color class. So it's going to get the color of each of the pixels and assign it to the color value in index 0. With the color, it's going to do a method that's already been pre-made in Dr. Java called color.brighter, and that's just going to brighten each and every one of the pixels inside of index 0. And to set the color, which is going to take the pixel, and it's actually going to set the color to brighten it. As you can see, pixel.setColor to color, which is color.brighter, and color equals pixel, which is pixel, and gets the color, and it's in the index 0. Okay. It's just going to set those colors to the new color values. And coming down to the bottom of the code at I++, or index++ in this case, we can see that it's going to increment the index by 1 while the loop condition is true, which means that it's just going to change all of the pixels and brighten them. Alright. Well, it's going to brighten them and set the color to the color, which is just brightening them. And the only way that this condition is going to be false is if if I wrote that really wrong, but it's if the pixel array's length is greater than over here. While I is 0, pixel array is going to increment by 1, set the color until all of the pixels are set to the brighter color. And that concludes the video. Please make sure to leave comments and let me know what I could have done better, what I did well on. And thank you for watching, and